The registration process allows you to create a password and a username for future logins to use the other functionalities. National Career Service Portal. Getting started. Access the application. To access the National Career Service Portal, that is, the NCS portal, type the following website address: www.ncs.gov.in. Sign up or registration. The job seeker needs to register on the NCS portal. The sign up link allows you to initiate the registration process. The registration process allows you to create a password and a username for future logins to use the other functionalities. Click on the sign up link from the login page. This displays the registration screen. Select Job Seeker from the drop-down box. This displays the Job Seeker registration screen. If the user is already registered with any employment exchange or skill provider institute, then select the appropriate radio button. Otherwise, do not select this option. Enter the following details: first name, middle name, and last name. Click on the male-female radio button. Enter the following details: date of birth, guardian or father's name. Select the highest education level from the drop-down box. Select the state from the drop-down box. Select the district from the drop-down box. Enter an email ID. Enter a mobile number. Enter a password with the following criteria. It should be minimum 8 characters containing at least one alphabet, one number, one special character like @ $, percentage, etc. For example, pass @word1. Retype the same password for confirmation. Select unique identification type like Aadhaar card, PAN card, Voter's ID card, passport, driving license, NREGA job card, etc. from the drop-down box. Please note, Aadhaar card number will be verified through Unique Identification Authority of India, that is UIDAI service. Enter unique identification number based on the unique identification type. Select the username option which you wish to use for login. Enter security code as shown in the image. Click the I agree to terms and conditions checkbox. Click on the Submit button. After successful registration, the verification screen displays and an OTP or one-time password will be sent to the job seeker's mobile number. Enter the OTP verification code which you receive on the registered mobile number. Click on the Submit button. Your account has been created successfully.